What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be swapping my differential in my E36 because I have a 2004 Pontiac GTO T56 transmission. It's a 6-speed, and the way it's geared with the 391 diff that I have in there now, it goes through the gears so fast. I'll be doing like 20 miles an hour and I'll already be in 4th gear. So I'm going to be putting this 315, it's kind of heavy, this 315 diff that I have laying around. I went ahead and welded it, and I'm going to be putting it in today. So it's like 100 degrees out here, so I'm going to go ahead and try and get this car in the shade here as much as possible and go ahead and start taking it apart. Alright, now that I've got this one out, something I forgot about, I did the 14mm diff bolt upgrade, the front bolt for the diff, since the stock ones like to break, and I bent 2 of them when I had stock bolt in there. So I went in and upgraded to the 14mm, and it doesn't look like it's bent, but I haven't drilled that other one out for the 14mm diff bolt yet, so I want to do that. And I haven't sealed it yet because I want this diff cover with these bushings, these rev shift green bushings, because I have everything else is rev shift green bushings. So I want to put that on that one and drill the diff bolt out and then slap it back in there. I do have to change these stubs because I have M3 axles, so I got to change these stubs too, but they literally just pop right out. And for some reason they're leaking inside these right here, can't really tell. And also another thing I noticed, my gas tank is leaking. I don't know where it's leaking from, but it's definitely leaking from somewhere. So check that out if I finish this in time. Alright, I got it in there. I would go drive it, but unfortunately my gas tank is leaking again. Let me show you real quick. Right here, it looks like the same spot it was leaking at before, but hopefully it's a different line. So I'm gonna try to figure that out real quick. I might take a shower real quick because I'm covered in diff oil, diff grease, and everything. So I might take a shower real quick and then start working on that. So thanks for watching. Peace out.